Thank you for deciding to give Hero a try. We're excited to see what you think about it and see what you think about our product and how it can protect your family. So the first thing you're going to do is type in our web address, and that is hero.fullarmorsys.com. And that will bring up our homepage right here. Now you go to the upper right corner where it says register free, click on that. Our support window comes up. If you need anything, you can chat live. Now on our registration form, you'll fill in your first name, your last name, your phone number, and your email address. That will be the email address that is assigned to your account. When you go to choose your password, you will notice that it must be at least 8 characters. It must have 1 uppercase letter, 1 number, and 1 special character. A special character may be an exclamation point, the @ sign, any of the above. Make sure that your password is the same when you confirm it. And then choose your gender and put in your date of birth, the month and the year. And then once you've done that, you will click submit. Once you click submit, you're going to be checking that email address. You will be receiving a confirmation email with a code in it that you will use to continue your registration. This is a shot of the confirmation code email you should be receiving. As you can see, here is the confirmation code, and that's what you will copy into your registration form. If you did not receive that email within a couple of minutes, check your spam folder, make sure that it didn't go there. Also, when you're finished registering, you'll want to make sure that your email is set such that you can receive Full Armor emails in your inbox and that they do not go directly to your spam folder. Once you receive it, you're going to put in that confirmation code and then click register. Here you will need to know how many devices you are going to want to use Hero on. You have the option of picking a package of 5, 10, or 20 devices. A device would be considered a smartphone, a tablet, or a computer. So for instance, if you have 3 smartphones and 2 computers, you would have 5 devices you would be installing Hero on. If you notice the price, you can either pay your subscription monthly or annually. There is a small discount for an annual subscription. Select your particular program, and then you'll put in your payment information, all of your typical credit card information, the number, the expiration date, address, etc. Here you're going to set your default settings for your family. To start with, we have this entire list of apps. Everything is blocked until you unblock it. So you will need to uncheck any apps that you want allowed on your default settings. This on top here is your rating scale. Again, these are your default settings, not your individual settings. You can see on the left there's some descriptions of what each of those settings is. From here, you will go on to assign your family members. You are already assigned as the administrator. Go ahead and put in the next person. Jason is Alexa's husband. We're going to put in his birthday. He is the same age as Alexa. And we are going to set his account. He's going to be available to be an admin, and he's going to be allowed all access. And then click Assign Additional User. You can see on the top there, Alexa and Jason are both there. Now we're going to put in Lila. She's the daughter, and she was born in January of 2003. She's not an admin. So for us, she falls into roughly that range of young teens, 13 to 15. Click Additional User. Then we'll go back up to that name line and add Zane. He is the son, also born in January of 2006. And he's a little bit younger, so we're going to put him under E10 plus, which is our tweens, roughly 10 to 12 years old. Now click Assign Additional User. And you'll see all 4, Alexa, Jason, Lila, and Zane, are all shown above. And then click on Done. Now we're going to wait for all of that to process. Should be just a second here. Congratulations, you have completed your registration. Now what you'll need to do is go to the App Store or to Google Play, and you're going to download Hero for your mobile devices as well as Shield. And then you can set up your individual users on each of those devices.